What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme. Different location at the regular gravel pit. This is the Traxxas Sledge using M2C Racing's conversion kit, the Jackhammr. Makes it to a even larger XL 1/7 scale. Oh, that was a short one. I was going for a triple but decided way too late, so okay, the classic one. We snapped that hinge pin. Well, that was a quickie, guys. Thanks for watching. What's up guys, Thomas here, TP Parts Rc-Xtreme, down at the gravel pit with a Jackhammr, the conversion kit from M2C Racing for the Traxxas Sledge, which turns your regular sledge into a 1/7 scale hardcore basher. So after the bashing, I'm gonna go through the car, if that's something that you want to see. Basically the same, but could be interesting. Powerhouse. Ah. Really? Whoopsie. Well, for the record, those tires were old. Really old. So, as you can see, the foam is all, it's just like dust. The fronts are good, they are new, they have like two packs in it, but those rears, they're just mush. Well, I'm super pleased with the car, works good as you. So I'm gonna wrap this up and speak to you soon. So we made it up to the conveyor belt here, and I'm just gonna go through this quick. So the Jackhammr conversion kit, chassis 775 T6, M2C Racing, the top brace, the shock towers, the body mounts, the ZRS caps with O-ring pistons, running let's see here, 700. What else? Upgraded center shafts in front and rear, the EC mount, the motor mount, the rear support bracket, the outdrives front and rear, the beefier dog bones, Thunderous fans, running a cap on the receiver because it cut out on every single jump, so that's all the whole problem. What else? Running 80k in the front, 200k in the mid, and 30k in the rear, if I'm not mistaken. And as you can see, we got some blown tires. These, like I said, they are old as F, so I'm not surprised. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.